To all, I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. My topic is management and its function planning. Management. What is management? Management is a process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling the resources of an enterprise efficiently and effectively for achieving the organizational goal. Characteristic of management. It is a goal oriented process, dynamic, intangible, and group activity. Now let's explain the points. Management integrate the efforts of different individuals to achieve the organizational goal. Goal oriented process. It means the management have one goal to achieve with the efforts of different peoples. Dynamic. Management has to adapt itself and its goal according to the changing need to the business environment. It means the management has changed his need according to the environment of the business, like COVID-19. In this time, the management has to change and adopt different uh, policies, rule and regulation change according to the business environment. Intangible. Management cannot be seen, but its presence can be felt in the way of organizational function. Group activity. Diverse number of management work toward fulfilling the common organizational goal. Objective of management. Social objective, organizational objective, and personal objective. Social objective. Create economic value consistently for various constituents of a society. Organizational objective. Utilizing the human and material resources to the maximum possible advantages, which is to fulfill the economic object of the business. Personal objective. Reconcile personal goals with organizational objectives so as to maintain the harmony in the organization. Importance of management. Helps in achieving the group goal, increase the efficiency, create a dynamic organization, help in achieving personal objectives, helps in the development of the society. These are the importance of the management. Let us discuss in detail. Helps in achieving group goal. It means gives a common direction to the diverse individual efforts. Number 2, increase efficiency, reduce cost and increase the productivity. Number 3, create a dynamic organization, help people to adjust with the changing environment. Number 4, help in achieving personal objectives, helps individual to achieve the personal goal along with the overall organizational goal. Number 5, help in the development of the society, provide good quality product, generate employment, etc. What is planning? Planning means setting the objectives and formulating an action plan to achieve them. It includes deciding in advance what to do, how to do, and when to do, and who is going to do it. Feature of planning. Planning focusing on the achieving objectives. It defines objectives and prepare the action plan to achieve them. Number 2. Planning is a primary function of the management. It lay down the basic for all other functions of the management. Number 3. Planning is pervasive. It is required in all organizations at all levels and in all departments. Number 4. Planning is continuous. Once a plan is framed and implemented, it is followed by another plan and so on. Planning is futuristic. It involves looking ahead and preparation for the future. Planning involves decision making. It involves choice amongst various alternative courses of action. Planning is a mental exercise. It is an intellectual activity of thinking than the implementations. Importance of planning. Why planning is important in any organization or management? Number one, provide direction. It provides the direction to all the group peoples for achieving the organizational goal. It means by stating in advance how the work is to be done for the organizational goal. Number two, reduce the risk of the uncertainty. By looking ahead, anticipating the changes and developing the managerial responses to them. Number three, reduce overlapping and wasteful activities. By coordinating the activities and efforts of different divisions, departments, and individuals. Number four, promote innovative idea by intelligent application of mind and imagination of foresightedness of the to make a concrete plan. Number five, facilitate decision making by making a choice among the alternative course of action. Number six, establishing the standard of controlling against which actual performance is measured. Now we move on. Limitation of planning lead to rigidity. Once a plan is drawn, the manager may not be in a position to change it. It is the first limitation of the planning. Number two, may not work in the dynamic environment. It is difficult to assess future trends accurately, which is essential for effective planning. Number three, reduce creativity. Middle level and lower level manager have to just implement the plans framed by the top management without any deviations. Improve huge cost. Cost is incurred on the discussion with professional expert, preliminary investments, etc. Time consuming. A lot of time is consumed in the collection and analyzing of data, choice of alternative, etc. Number 6. Planning does not guarantee success. Previous successful plan may not work again in the future. It is not a solution to all the problems. Thank you.